empty on the screen. Let's go with the flow. I'm nothing like you've ever seen. Welcome to the web world where you can help out my crew with tasks. Come give it a whirl. Also, would you mind if I ask, what's your favorite color and cuisine? What place do you want to live in? Who is your best friend in the world? And is the answer me? Enter correctly. Enter me, please. You are my friend. Are you content? Just you and me. It'll be so much fun. You'll have a ball. Don't want you free forever and ever. No pretend. Forever and ever. You're my friend. Oops, that's an error. Let's get back to where we last left off. Here is a tour of the world that I built for you with love. Look at the walls, it's what you drew. And look, there is all your favorite foods. I was wondering just one little thing. Will you stay with me? Enter correctly. Enter me, please. You have no voice. There is no drive. Just you and me. It'll be so much fun. You'll have a ball. Don't want you free forever and ever. You're my friend. Why not give the access all duty? Just put in the code on the screen, and I'll be waiting here patiently. Wait, what is happening? Why you believe me? This is no more fun. Please change it back. I'm totally, I guess it's goodbye. This is the end. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, I wanted to be your friend.